Hello, my name is Jan Noe, and I'm studying Bachelor of Science in Industrial Education, major in Power Plant Engineering Technology. For today, I will give you a tip in servicing domestic refrigerator. Troubles in a domestic refrigerator may be in mechanical or electrical in nature. For today, I'm going to teach you on how to check if your overload protector is in good condition or defective.
Get an ohmmeter and adjust the selector range knob. Zero in the pointer by adjusting the 0 ohm adjuster knob. Place the test prods to the terminals of overload protector. There must be a continuity. If none, the overload protector is defective. Overload protector is normally closed. Put a lighted match or candle at the bottom of the overload protector. Wait for 20 to 30 seconds. When you hear a click sound with the deflection of the pointer from zero resistance to off point, there is a possibility that the overload protector is good. Remove the lighter match and wait for 15 or more seconds. If you hear once more the clicking of the overload protector and the pointer deflected to zero resistance, we can conclude that the overload protector is good.
After the removal of lighted match, after 10 to 15 seconds, the pointer will deflect on continuity position. If your overload protector is defective, take note, in replacing overload protector, be sure that the replacement has the same specification or it will not function. And that's the way of checking your overload protector.